Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this abstract background. Let's open a new document and get rid of the stroke. Here is the color group I will be using today. Select yellow, switch to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to cover the artboard. Next, open the gradient panel and choose white and black gradient. Drag this yellow color to replace white and use purple in place of black. Click in the middle to add one more color stub, change its location to 50% and replace it with orange. Now press the letter G to show the gradient annotator on the screen and adjust the angle. Next we'll create these stripes. Let's lock this layer and create a new layer. First, swap the fill and the stroke, select the pen tool and draw a line that is a little longer than the height of your artboard. Next go to Object, Repeat and choose Grid. If you would like to learn how to use the grid repeat function, please check out my previous tutorial. I've included a link to it in the description. Let's decrease the space between the lines and drag the bottom and side handles to remove extra lines. Now place it over the artboard. Next, open the transparency window and change the blending mode to soft light or overlay. Play with these settings to see what works for you. If you wish, you can experiment with different stroke width as well. Let's lock layer 2 and create a new layer. Next, we'll create these shapes. Swap the fill and the stroke and use one of the drawing tools. I'm going to use the curvature tool. If you wish to learn more about this tool, please check out my previous tutorial. I've included a link to it in the description. Now create random shapes. With a shape selected, press the letter G to show the gradient annotator on the screen and adjust the gradient if needed. Next, we'll add a shadow. Using the ellipse tool, create a circle. Apply the white and black gradient. Set the type to radial. Change the white color stub to black. Set the opacity of the other color stub to 0. Change its location to about 83. And decrease the opacity of the other color stub to about 50. We can always come back here and adjust it a little bit more. Let's place it over here. Now right-click, choose Arrange and Send to Back. Adjust the position, size, rotation and gradient a little bit more. Let's copy and place it under this shape. And do the same with the other shapes. Next we'll create these dots. Let's change the fill to white, switch to the ellipse tool and single click on the artboard. Type 8 pixels for the width and 8 pixels for the height. Click OK. Then go to Object, Repeat and choose Grid. Let's change the horizontal and vertical space between circles to 20 pixels. If you wish, adjust the number of rows and columns by dragging the handles. Let's duplicate it and place it over here. Adjust the spacing again and place it here. create a copy, and again. If you wish, you can change the opacity of the white circles as well. If you prefer to create gradient circles, first change the fill to the same gradient you used for your background. Create a tiny circle, and like we did before, go to Object, Repeat, and choose Grid. Now adjust the spacing. Next, select all circles, go to Object and choose Expand. Press the letter G to show the gradient annotator on the screen and adjust the gradient. Let's place it over here. Now repeat this step a few more times. Finally, go to View and select Trim View to hide everything outside the artboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.